In a world where nature and humanity are in harmony, and the balance is threatened, an evil alien force has arrived to unleash chaos. But hope emerges from the unlikeliest of heroes. Meet Panda, Tiger, and Chip, three friends who will defy the odds. Together they will embark on an epic adventure to save our world from impending doom. Prepare for non-stop action, breathtaking visuals, and the unstoppable spirit of unity. They will face the ultimate test and prove that even the unlikeliest heroes can change the course of history. This summer, join Panda, Tiger, and Chip in a tale of bravery, friendship, and the power to save the world. Guardians of Unity, coming soon to a theater near you.